Today's the 8th of July and good time for early summer garden tour. This is onions growing into this bed. Next to it is tomato plants. This is a golden jubilee growing here. And between the tomatoes is basil growing. And this is a red cherry tomato growing here. A purple basil next to it. And then this is a yellow cherry tomato growing here. This is a sweet alyssum plant, which I grow in almost every bed to draw beneficial wasps and insects, and it uses pollinators. Next to it is another tomato, which is forgot what that is. It's a paste tomato. Next to that is a eggplant, and you can see it's got a lot of blooms on it. It's also got a eggplant that'll be ready to harvest in a few days. Next to that's another tomato plant. This is another golden jubilee. And then there's another eggplant, which brings us back down to the onions. The adjacent bed to that, we have sweet alyssum growing here. We have green beans. This is the first planting of the bush beans here, and they're in bloom now. We'll soon be eating beans. Next to it is a second planting of beans to follow up on those. When about the time first ones are done, these will be producing. Next to that, this bed has summer squash. It's a crookneck squash. It's blooming, but it's only male blooms right now. Next to it is pepper plants. This is a jalapeno, and there are peppers in it. There's quite a few in there. Next to that is a banana pepper. It also has peppers in it, and I'll soon be harvesting those. There's a lot of banana peppers. Next to that is the bell peppers. And then there's a kale and a red ruby Swiss chard. Next to that is some spinach, which has been getting eaten by the tussock moths. And the lettuce, which has been picked recently, but this is Merlot lettuce on the end and romaine lettuce next to it. This is one of the rhubarb plants, which we've been harvesting. This is a Glaskin's perpetual rhubarb, which can be harvested all summer long. There's a couple more victorious rhubarb back there. And then I'll walk out to the far garden, which is beyond the greenhouse. The greenhouse is not being used right now for anything because it's so hot at this time of year with temperatures in the 90s. I forgot to mention on this side are sweet potatoes, which are growing in mineral wick tubs from cattle, and they're growing up this trellis. We have a bunch of sunflowers which came up volunteer here. This is a cantaloupe. I believe it's an ambrosia cantaloupe. It's also grown in a mineral wick tub. And then there's the second sweet potato back here, which is also grown in a mineral wick tub, and it's starting to climb the trellis as well. Now we'll go out to the far garden. These are our two 12-foot raised beds, which have an arbor between them, which is made out of cattle panel. Growing on the side of the bed are a couple summer squash. They're early crookneck squash. They look like they need some water right now. It's been 90 degrees all day. Behind them is a cucumber, which is starting up the arbor, and a second cucumber. And then these were planted early, and they're just growing on the ground. Again, they're Marketmore cucumbers. All three of these are Marketmore cucumbers, and we'll soon have a lot of cucumbers to be pickled. On the other raised bed, the only thing on it right now are these two personal size butternut squash. I think they're called butter balls or something like that, but they'll grow up this trellis and then they'll be hanging over it. One of my tasks today was to cut down the comfrey plants. These are the ones that before they got cut down, and you can see they got rather large. They were all done blooming. So I'll cut them off about 2 inches from the ground, and they'll quickly regrow and they'll start blooming again. Back here are the ones I cut off today, and you can see that they're all cut off a couple inches above the ground. And these, within about 2 weeks, they'll be fully regrown and they'll be blooming again. Again, there's the originals. Before they were cut, that's what they looked like. So that's pretty much it for the summer tour of the gardens. These raised beds out here are doing really well, getting covered. And the ones up front are all in full production. Thanks for watching.